back to another video. Today we're going to be showcasing the minigun. Right off the bat, I already got a kill. Okay. Well, my thing is lagging. Cameras level, and including another guy on the server. Me and him are both level 100s. Oh, and he snipes me? Well, great. Yeah, it's not meant for, like, it's meant for close up. It's not meant for shooting, like, all the way down the tunnel. Like that, won't hit a shot. It just keeps spreading. A split on this thing. What? Yeah, the spread on this thing is insane. I wouldn't recommend as, like, a good weapon for, like, all the way down the tunnel. Oh, and I'm dead. If I grab this. Bang. Bang. Yes, a showcase. Showcase. Get him. Sit down. Yeah, this gun is not meant for far range. Definitely telling you that. For 65k, it's a good gun, but not for, like, far range. Come on, calm down. Good, trick him by surprise. What's up? And it has 350 shots, so it's a good thing. I would recommend this as a good gun, not, like trash tier. Good gun, good gun. I'm 20 and 5. Wow. Yeah, I would recommend buying this if you have the money, because it's a good gun. But just get, like, something to, like, get down the tunnel. Let's check out the stuff on this. If I go to the gun, ammo and fire rate and ammo are way out of the bound. Damage is kind of low. Yeah, I would still recommend getting this though. Because they can't make it that OP for 65k. Well, there's a lot of guys. Wow, a lot. But it goes insanely fast. I have like, okay. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I'll see you in another video. Bye.